Place the seat cover on the seat and adjust it. Tuck the fabric through the seat back. Pass the straps under the seat. Pull the strap out from the bottom of the seat, secure the clips, and tighten them. Secure the two straps with a knot. Slide the cover on the headrest and attach Velcro together. Peel the Velcro apart. Slide the seat cover onto the backrest and adjust it. Zip it up. Secure the Velcro tightly. Tuck the fabric into the backrest and bottom of the seat. Attach the 4J hooks under the seat. Place the cover on the seat bottom and adjust it. adjust the cover through the gap between the seat back and bottom. Secure it firmly with the Velcro. Use the tool to tuck the seat cover into the gap. Open the zipper on the seat cover. Slide the cover over the seat back and adjust it. Secure it with the Velcro. Seat the cover over the headrest. Open the zipper. Place the seat cover on the seat and adjust it. Tuck the fabric through the seat back and bottom. Secure it with the Velcro. Finally, put the armrest cover on.